In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Netlify. To follow along, you'll need access to your Netlify account and the domain you registered with GoDaddy. We'll do everything from the Netlify side first, and I'll point out a few tips to make the process smooth. Start by going to netlify.com and sign in. Once you land on your dashboard, choose the site you want to use. Click into that site to open its overview page. This is where you manage builds, deploys, and, for our purpose today, domains. Next, look for Domain Management in the site's sidebar. Open it to view any current domains linked to the site. Here's where you'll add your custom address. Click Add Domain, and when the options appear, choose Add Domain you already own. This tells Netlify that your domain is registered elsewhere, which is perfect when it's at GoDaddy. In the domain field, enter your GoDaddy domain exactly as it's registered. Use the bare domain like example.com or the subdomain you plan to use, like www.example.com or app.example.com. Don't include HTTP or HTTPS and skip any trailing slashes. Keeping it clean avoids formatting errors. Click Verify. Netlify quickly checks that the domain is valid and can be attached to your site. If you see an error, double-check the spelling and make sure the domain isn't already connected to another Netlify team. When the check passes, click Add Domain to confirm. After you add it, Netlify will display the DNS settings it expects. If you continue to manage DNS at GoDaddy, this page will show you the exact records associated with your chosen host name, such as an A record or a CNAME. Keep this information handy. Once DNS points to Netlify and the changes propagate, Netlify will automatically issue and renew an SSL certificate, and your site will resolve at the new domain. A couple of quick tips. Decide which address should be primary, often www or the apex domain, and set the other to redirect in the domain management page to avoid duplicate content. If you're adding multiple subdomains, repeat the same add domain flow for each host you plan to serve. And that's the process. You went to Netlify, opened your site, used domain management to add a domain you already own, verified it, and confirm the addition. From here, watch the domain status in Netlify and you'll be live as soon as DNS catches up.